Today, day 3 of witness testimony in the Schoharie Limo crash trial. Those testimonies giving a new perspective on the vehicle involved in that crash. Skylar Eagle has been inside the courthouse since day 1, and tonight she tells us that Virgil Parks, the former manager of the MAVIS store where Hussein brought the limousine for service, says MAVIS replaced parts of the rear driver's side brakes in May of 2018. That's 5 months before the crash. But there were other issues with the brake system that were not repaired simply because Hussein didn't ask for those repairs to be made. Park also says Hussein asked for an inspection on the limo, which Park says he was able to do because the limo was registered as a passenger vehicle with the DMV, not a commercial vehicle with the DOT. Skylar tells us that Park went on to explain that had the vehicle been registered as a limo with more than 16 passengers, an error message would have appeared in the state inspection system, and he would not have been able to complete that inspection. Then, during cross-examination, Park said he was unaware of changes to transportation law from 2011 that said stretch limos had to be sent to DOT-authorized inspectors. And Skylar reports that Park told the defense attorney he charged Hussein for work that wasn't finished. This included replacing the brake master cylinder, a brake system flush, and a safety inspection, admitting also that mandatory steps in the inspection were skipped. Park was not the only one from MAVIS to testify today, though. Skylar tells us they heard from 2 mechanics who worked at MAVIS about repairs they did and did not make to the brake system. One of those employees said in his testimony that he objected to working on the limo, but they passed the inspection without checking because that's what Virgil Park told them to do. Yesterday in court, Chad Smith, a DOT investigator, says he placed an out-of-service sticker on the limo after his initial inspection in March of 2018. But the mechanics who testified today say they never saw that sticker. Big thanks to Skylar Eagle for sharing all the details of today's witness testimony.